breaking. I got my Driven Racing Motor Oil detail kit here, and I'm going over the old sweet potato. It's cruise night. If it don't rain, I'm getting out. I don't care that it's 45 degrees outside. I've been riding this thing all winter. You've seen some of the videos. Got to get it all dialed in because we're driving all the way from Mississippi all the way up to Cincinnati, Ohio for the Roadster run this year. I can't wait for that to happen in June. I'm going to carry you guys along with me. So, I got to get to work on this thing. But I want to show you some more stuff real quick. You got a minute? Well, a little midweek update, guys. I feel like I've been on vacation for a long time because I've been hammered and I hadn't been showing you guys any attention. Anyway, lots of work going on with the Porsche. I'll be working on it all night tonight and all night tomorrow night and maybe even over the weekend. We're going to be doing some really cool stuff to this one, you know that. So here's another one that I haven't shown you lately. The 55 Chevy First Series pickup truck. Getting a vintage air kit. A lot of neat tricks and stuff done to this one. I'm sure working on the video, so don't give up on me. And also, a lot of you guys have already seen a couple of the episodes where we're doing a custom upholstery for this. Yep, I've got videos on that too. I wish I had a clone that could edit all that stuff and get it out to you quicker. Some of the stuff might be months old, but hey, it's getting done. You're going to want to see it. Hit the subscribe button if you're a C10 fan, Chevy truck fan. Got a couple of those going on, a lot of neat stuff going on. Now, what else are we doing? Yep, and yet again, the 32 Roadster pickup truck. I've got a box of parts from Pete and Jake's, all new rubber for all the different bushings. We've got to put that on. Another carburetor. You know, I redid the Holly, still not really happy with it. So we got another carburetor we're going to put on, and we've still got to get to the busted shock mount. We're going to fix those, probably upgrade both shock mounts on the front, and probably put new shocks on it too. Yep, just one more bite out of this one. Then we're going to get the hood and the hood sides off. All right. I got to get the detailing on this car. It's going out too. We're going to take it on the Edelbrock Cars and Coffee next weekend. So we got to make sure that everything's all dialed in. Got to get it all cleaned up. It's still up on the lift. But hey, we got to get this thing ready for the Edelbrock cruise in. Can't wait to get over there and see my buddies. Now the 070 Bronco, you've seen the full build on this. Got off of it for a couple of months, but I'm back on it now and coming down to the wire on this one. We're about ready to go take this thing mudding. Nah, we're not going to go mudding in it. But we are going to take it over to Edelbrock's Cars and Coffee one Saturday morning. Let everybody see it. Let them tell me what they think about it. Just got through putting an electric fan on it this morning. I got to get that wired up. Still got to paint the grill and the tailgate on this one. Finish the adjustment on the doors. Charge up the AC. And there's a few more little things on the windshield list that I've got to do. And then this one is going to be ready to enjoy. So if you haven't seen the Bronco build, go follow some of the episodes on that. Really lots of work, lots of time went into making this thing a little bit different and a little bit better than stock, or a whole lot better than stock. It's kind of like eating tacos with some hot sauce on it. You know I like my tacos. Well, here's some of my stash of my wheels and tires. It's about time to put some new tires on these wheels, detail them up, and put those on the old green 36.3 window. That is going to be a huge improvement on that car, and I can't wait. I love wheels and tires. All right, so for some of you guys that don't know anything about CAD, I'm in the middle of doing my CAD program on the trunk of the Impala. The CAD program that I'm using consists of cardboard aided design. So we're going to turn this cardboard into cool aluminum panels that we're going to do upholstery on. And it's going to be really neat. So video's already started on this. You don't want to miss it. 61 bubble top Impala. Full blown interior. You don't want to miss it. So for you guys that like air cooled stuff, and you like Volkswagens, well, you found a spot here too. We're doing the Porsche. We're doing 2 Volkswagens on the channel. Yep, and we've done some in the past, so you don't want to miss any of that fun. Speaking of fun, how you like stripping a Volkswagen down to the metal with a razor blade? Well, got a video on the channel and one that's fixing to pop that's got different ways that you can actually strip your car down at home, save yourself some money. Yep, you don't want to miss it. I tell you what, there ain't nothing worse than getting through with a Bronco only to get knee deep in another one. Yep, this was a 77. Knee deep into it, already repaired a bunch of rust, got a lot more rust to go. Got parts in for it, and I got a bunch more parts coming. So we're fixing to reskin this thing from top to bottom and get it dialed in and get this paint and body work done. Follow along if you want to see some of that. Well, that's just some of the many projects going on. Spankys Hot Rods and Customs at home. Yep, I'm burning the candle at both ends, boys. And I think the candle's dynamite. Anyway, that's just some of the projects that are going on around the shop. Midweek update. And I'm going to try to get back in the groove to get some quality videos out there for you soon. But as always, thanks so much for the support. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode. I really need to go get me a taco.